Hi guys, welcome to Magnite Vision YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an interesting topic and that is about Nissan Magnite. First of all, before going forward, this video has been created as many of my audience has requested this. Now we look into the history of Nissan Magnite. In December 2020, the global debate as the Nissan Magnite has been launched within the Indian market. Afterwards, in the February 2022, the 4-star rating by Global NCAP has been attained for the vehicle. In June 2023, 100,000 production units has been manufactured within the Chennai manufacturing plant. And within the October 2024, the new revamp or as the new facelifted Nissan Magnite has been launched with 320 plus upgrades. Regarding the production house or as regarding the production plans of Nissan Magnite, the Nissan Magnite has been produced within the RAA IPL Chennai plant. In long form, it is the Renault Nissan Automotive India Private Limited plant, and this is located in the Oragadam, Chennai. Regarding the area which the plant is located, it is located around 600 acres, and here I want to mention that within their reports it is mentioned that one car is produced every 3 minutes, and one of the key highlights of the Chennai plant is it is water positive and solar powered plant. Regarding the pillars of production, uh, main focus is advanced research and development, quality checks, and human capital. Regarding the Nissan Magnite is designed in Japan and engineered in India, and this ensures the perfect blend of global standards and local utility. And regarding the quality checks, every Magnite undergoes hundreds of rigorous quality and safety audits before leaving the factory grades. For example, in order to check the water check, they are having a special facility where the location the water is poured in such a way that the heavy rain, so they are checking whether the water is getting leaked into the vehicle. Regarding the human capital, over 5,000 employees are working within the plant. The most important part is within the Nissan Magnite, the presence is the magnetic design. The exterior reflects a bold SUV stance with high ground clearance and aggressive line, and this is the key highlight of the vehicle when driving within the road. And the signature grille and LED bright projector lights, silver skid plates and roof rails, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels are the signature things which enhance the dynamic presence of the vehicle. And next one is the key highlight is the luxury meets logic. The interior features a driver-centric layout with premium soft touch materials and an orange or black theme. With best-in-class knee room 290mm and a spacious 336-liter boot, it's built for urban and adventure use alike. Now we discuss the 100K or as the 100,000 journey units producing less than 30 months. In June 2023, Nissan India rolled out its 100,000th Magnite from the Chennai plant, making it as the most successful Nissan product in the region. And this milestone reflects the massive customer trust and the brand's rapid growth strategy in a competitive segment. And the one of the key highlights of the Nissan Magnite is the uncompromising safety. The Magnite is engineered to protect offering over 40 standard safety features across all variants. Here now currently the Nissan Magnite has been changed into 5-star safety rating by Global NCAP. Before that there was a 4-star safety rating. With the facelifted version it has increased up to 5-star safety rating. and also 6 airbags has been standard for all around protection, and the 360 around view monitor as well as the start assist option has ensured the safety quality of the vehicle. And their main logo is tagline is one car one world. Here Nissan India is the vital sport hub, shipping vehicles to over 100 destinations globally. Here they are capturing here they are exporting the vehicle to more than 65 markets, and the massive volume or 1.2 million vehicles exported to date. Key ports are the Kamaraj port within the Chennai. And now we look into the under the hood, or as the power, torque, transmission and ground clearance of the vehicle. 1 liter B40 petrol, that means a naturally aspirated petrol vehicle, includes a maximum power of 72 PS at 6,250 RPM. Whereas the 1 liter HRAO turbo engine includes 100 PS at 5000 RPM. The maximum torque of the natural aspirated vehicle is 96 Newton meter at 3500 RPM, and within the turbo vehicle it includes the 160 Newton meter at 2800 to 3600 RPM average. Transmission is within the natural aspirated, there is one variant with 5 manual transmission as well as easy shift AMT vehicle. Whereas within the turbo also there is a 5 manual transmission in gearbox, as well as it includes the electronic CVT gear system. Ground clearance for both the natural aspirated as well as the turbo engine is similar, and that is 205 millimeter ground clearance. Now we look into the road ahead, or as the Nissan India's focus about the vehicle in the future. They are focusing on electric vehicle to be produced in the near future, as well as they are invested more than $600 million with the Renault Nissan alliance in order to boost the research and development and production facilities in India, as well as they are focusing on carbon neutrality as well. So that is regarding the presentation, or as the video. Thank you for watching the video. If there is any concern, you can drop a comment within this, so I'll be replying with the comment. Thank you.